Hey, it's Steve, the cat drawing guy from iwantadrawacatforyou.com, and today I am drawing a cat for Joyce, and Joyce is getting cat number 17,379. And she wanted a cat backpacking on the Appalachian Trail with a couple of walking sticks. So here we go, Joyce. Here is your cat. Wearing some nice hiking shorts. And a couple of professional grade hiking sticks here. And we can't forget the backpack, because you can't go backpacking without a backpack. So here's your straps. And here we go. It's a nice trail. Of course, there's a sign right in the middle of the trail that lets you know where you are. Appalachian Trail. And here we've got a tree. And we've got some birds. Some happy little birds flying down the Appalachian Trail with you, Joyce. So there you go. And let's put a sun up in the sky. It's a nice, beautiful day for hiking. The Appalachian Trail is swell. And Joyce is saying, whoopee, because she's so happy to be hiking. So Joyce, there you go. We're going to get this off to you as soon as I can. I hope you dig it, and thanks so much for your order. Take care.